Hey guys, I'm back. And yeah, I do have short hair now. Don't know why, I just wanted to. And I'm going to be doing something different today. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening some Pokemon cards. I just bought this today. And I also bought one of these. And it has some in here. I do actually have some Pokemon cards already. They're just pretty old. I've had them for a while. And so what I'm going to do is open this. Alright, it comes with some sleeves. Don't know what these are. Oh, these are to separate them. I think. Yeah, it's separators. So, I'm going to put them in here. Oh, yeah, see that. These are some separators. So, I'm just going to put them into here. Got some sleeves. First time I ever had some sleeves. A bunch of energy cards. Trying to see if there's anything else that there was. Oh yeah, some dice. A booklet. And some actual packs of cards. Now, I'm going to see if I can get something good. I haven't opened anything in a while. So, let's see what I can get. And hopefully get rid of that glare. Okay, sorry I can't get rid of the glare. But, yeah. Let's go ahead and open these. And I don't know any methods to doing this. So, first off, you have a Wilmer. Second off, we have a Goomy. Then a Wimpod. Then a Nosepass. Then a Wishy-Washy. That's always so weird. And I don't know what kind of card this is, but a Nosepass again. A Vanillux. A Fighting Energy card. A Hala Trainer. A Marini. And a Whimsicott. Now, sorry that I'm going through these a bit slow. And if I should show off what cards I have already, then let me know. Now, I'm going to try and see if I can get this right. I think it's from the back on these. I don't know though. Okay, so first off, you have a Pangoro. Then a Darkness Energy card. A Sableye. An Energy Lotto. Huh. Haven't seen that one before. A Sliggoo. A Goomy. Another Wimpod. Ooh, Jangamo O. Then we have a Trubbish, then a Wilmer, and ooh, Choice Band, shiny one, well, sparkly. Sorry if I'm going through these a bit slow. Oh yeah, man, I forgot, it comes with these too. This is getting hard to open. There we go. I just saw what the back card is. So yeah. Wait. What? A golden energy card, and it feels weird. And it's a leaf energy. What? Is this rare or something? It's got gold border, and it's sparkly. And it's got a nice texture. I'm gonna say that off to the side. And fire energy card. The Altar of Moon. And then following that, we got the Altar of Suni. Then Alolan Graveler. Then Machop. Then Rockruff. Then Beldum. Then Wilmer. And Goomy. And I did see that last one correctly. We got, I'm pretty sure this is actually reverse. And it's a Rayquaza. I'm gonna put that off to the side to be exact, because that is nice. This is also my first ever Pokemon pack of this kind. No joke, the last packs I've ever had was, I think, not Omega Ruby and Sapphire. No, wait, yeah. Or maybe it was X and Y. No, wait, it was Omega Ruby and Sapphire, because I have Mega Rayquaza somewhere. Okay, so it is 5 from the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're starting off again with a Rayquaza. And a Psychic Energy card. Then a Rescue Stretcher. And a Komala. Then a Gothorita. Then a Wimpod. Then a Nose Pass. Another Wishy-Washy. Then a Slowpoke. Then a Stuffle. And I'm guessing this is a reverse Wailord. Why did I just start putting them randomly? And I'm not going to put the Wailord in the pack with the reverse Rayquaza. And the reason why I knew it was a Rayquaza because I saw the word Ray. This one's very difficult to open. And I didn't open it. And I don't have any scissors. But I got it open anyways. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, ooh, first one I've seen of this, a Trevenant. Then a water energy card. I'm gonna hold them like this now. A Whimsicott. Ooh, Hakamo-O. Then I'm a Tang. A Talo. A Phantom. A Cast Form. A Nose Pass. A Daddy Bird. And another Trubbish. And this is the reverse too, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it's a reverse or not. It might be hollow, I don't know. So now we got Sharpedo, a Leaf Energy card. Ooh, Trainer Milo, Tentacruel, Aether Paradise Conservation Area, Slowpoke, a Stuffle, a Salandit, a Mudbray, a Vanillite, and I think this might actually be hollow. Yeah, I think reverse is where the actual color is shiny. But so I'm just gonna call him hollow for now. A hollow Alolan Graveler, which I actually like that. I'm gonna actually put it with the Rayquaza. I'm probably not gonna be pulling anything good. Okay, so now we got Oricoro, a Fairy Energy card, a Hala, another Aether Paradise, another a Vanillish. I don't think I pulled one yet. A Delibird, a Trubbish, another Trubbish, a Machop, a Rockruff, a Beldum, and we got a shiny Max Potion. I'm just gonna be calling random stuff now. I'm actually gonna put that with the others. Okay, this is our first reverse, which is a reverse Comfey. Gonna put that right there. A Lightning Energy card. Booklet Hill. A Beware. Or Beware. And a Lomomola. A Tentacle. A Cast Form, if I can find it. A Gothita. A Patrat. A Caravana. And the final card we're going to end off with is a Mudsdale. Alright, I'm back. And what I'm doing is I am showing off a bunch of Pokemon cards I have. Let me just show you how big this book is. This thick. And I have a giant Pokemon card on the front, in the back, and on the inside. And also in the back. Here, let me just... There, I switched the camera around so you can see it now. Now, I have my best Pokemon cards in here somewhere. Like full arts and stuff like that. I just need to find them. They used to be on the front page, but silly me adds more cards to the front. Oh, I have cards missing. You know what? I'll be right back until I can find them. I found them. Well, these are my best cards, because these are all my legendaries. Okay, first off we got Black Kyurem, White Kyurem, another White Kyurem, Zekrom, Thunderous EX, Lugia, Keldeo, Victini, Rayquaza, Full Art Thundurus, Full Art Tornadus, Thundurus, Genesect, Meloetta, another Meloetta, Suicune, Mew, Xerneas, Yveltal, another Xerneas and Yveltal, Fione, Mewtwo, Full Art Landorus, Full Art Reshiram, Full Art Darkrai, Full Art Giratina, Charizard EX, Full Art Shaman, Full Art Shaman, Emolga EX. That is the death of me. Diancie, another Mega Diancie, Registeel, and Ditto. And the reason why Ditto's part of my legendary is because he can transform into any card, so it only fit if he can transform into a legendary. So I'll be right back while I find some other good cards. So guys, I've done a bit of research, and this card might actually be rarer than I thought. It's a secret rare because it has a white star on it right there, but it's a little bit off center, which must mean it might be a miscut card, meaning the top's shorter than the bottom. And this is further proven because this is a normal leaf energy. Do you see a difference? Besides the color, this bottom is super short. This bottom's a little bit longer. It might just be the way it's supposed to look, but I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, this card is a lot rarer than I thought. Alright guys, I might end this video off here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you bye in the next video.